Hey guys, I'm at Carina State School today, and I actually used to go preschool here, so it's kind of exciting. And their principal, Mr. Moore, actually used to live on a farm, so he likes chickens. Let's go see what they think.
I'm only one kid, so I need your help.
Hey guys, that went really well, and I even saw some of my old friends. Well, I didn't get to meet them exactly, but I saw them in the audience. But I think lots of people listened. I just hope that lots of the kids will send lots of postcards to me.